Hey, if your AC is running but the air coming out isn't cold, yeah, that's super frustrating, especially on a hot day. Don't worry. Most of the time, this isn't a major problem. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix an AC that runs but isn't cooling, step by step. First, check your thermostat, make sure it's set to cool mode, and the temperature is lower than the current room temperature. Sometimes it's as simple as accidentally leaving it on fan or heat. A dirty or clogged air filter can restrict airflow, making it feel like the AC isn't cooling. Check the filter and replace it if it's dirty. A clean filter improves airflow and helps the AC cool properly. Next, go outside and check the condenser unit. Make sure it's not blocked by debris, leaves, or grass. Turn off the AC power before cleaning. Gently remove debris from the fins and coils. This allows proper heat exchange and cooling. If the AC runs but still isn't cooling, low refrigerant could be the cause. Refrigerant leaks reduce cooling performance. Handling refrigerant is technical and requires certification. If you suspect a leak or low levels, it's best to call a licensed HVAC professional. Sometimes ice can build up on the evaporator coils or the blower fan isn't spinning fast enough. If you see ice, turn off the AC and let it thaw. Clean the coils if dusty. Make sure the blower fan spins freely. Restricted airflow can prevent cooling. If everything else seems fine, sometimes the issue is with capacitors, contactors, or circuit breakers. A weak capacitor can make the compressor or fan run, but not cool properly. Electrical work on AC units is best left to licensed technicians for safety. So, yeah, an AC running but not cooling is usually caused by thermostat settings, dirty filters, blocked condenser, ice buildup, or low refrigerant. Try these simple fixes first, but if it persists, calling a pro is the safest way. Hopefully your home gets cool again fast.